Kia ora koutou katoa, nau mai hoki mai ki Pukera o Pāho, our final news broadcast of 2025.
That's right. Next week is our last week of school, and it's going to be jam-packed, so today we're wrapping up with some awesome highlights from around our kura.
Let's get straight into it.
Last Thursday, Tiki Toru went on an amazing haerenga to Whānaki's farm, where they learned how to prepare a traditional hangi.
They also learned how to pick watercress, peel potatoes and kumara, cut pumpkin, and even make stuffing, before cooling off with a swim.
Next day, they placed their hangi baskets into the steamers at Ohinemutu, then visited the Trout hatchery before returning to school to enjoy the hangi that they had prepared themselves.
Kia ora, you're here with Diamond
and Ali
at Whānaki's
and Mauri farm today so they can teach our tamariki how to mahi kai. Let's get into it.
Haere mai.
So what do you guys think about the pig?
It's dead.
That smoke is actually going to cook the fish.
Did you like the smell of the fish?
Yeah, it was kind of good.
We're out here situated in Paradise Valley. We are kaitiaki, we're guardians around this place. Seeing these kids come out here today and with a smile on their dial, all excited. That's what it's all about.
Who are we here with? And what was the video about? Hunting for what? For pigs. Right now we're just going to take the kids on a bushwalk and we're going to mic them up. Let's get it.
Over here, can you see this plant over here?
Yes.
Now this is a really, really prickly plant. You might see this growing in your garden at home or in the field. This is called puha. What's it called?
Puha.
Now you can also eat puha. But you've got to clean it up because it's
A
quite
puha.
Now there's food in the ocean, but there's heaps of food in the land. You know that there's deer, there's venison, there's rabbits, there's possums, there's pickle. Now, take off your flour, get your flour, pinch it off. No, pinch it off like this. And let it float down so it can grow some more downstream. Wash it in the water and put it in.
And follow us around the corner to our secret spot, Moriana whānau. And we are putting in our hangis that our kids prepared yesterday out at Paradise Valley. This is the same box that we're using this morning. So we'll start with tanifas.
Kia ora, you're here with Diamond,
And Ali at the Eastern Region Trout Hatchery.
located behind our maunga, Rongotaha. And today, this is part 2 of our tamariki kai mahi with Whānaki.
And Mauri.
And today we're here to show our tamariki the different stages of how to catch trout.
Not all of our streams and lakes have the natural ability for the trout themselves to keep that amount up. Probably about 5,000 to 6,000 fish in here that have come from eggs that we've grown, and then they've moved their way from the hatchery to moving into the different ponds.
My name's Lucy. My name is Mauri. And we're at Hatchery and we looked at some fish. 17,000 fish, so come and join us.
The white ones are rainbow trout, but they're what's called albinos. We've got our tiger trout. Ah, these ones here, look at those. Well, he is moving because the current is going this way, so he's just staying still by pushing.
We are here down Ohinumutu, that's known for our geothermal hot pools and our lavas. Our kai has been cooking, smells delicious, looks delicious. Gonna be
Ka mau te wehi, Tiki Free. Such an amazing learning experience.
Our next feature takes us to this week's end-of-year celebration for both senior and junior school.
Senior school headed to the aquatic centre on Monday, swimming, playing, relaxing and celebrating the year together.
Meanwhile, the junior school had their fun day here at Kura, with swimming, a massive water fight, slide, and a sausage sizzle.
Another huge highlight this week was our very own school ahure and gala day, held on Thursday.
This event gave our ropu, especially those who didn't get to perform at the Rotorua Ahure last week, the chance to get up on stage and showcase their mahi to our whānau and community.
There were kapaka performance, games, kai, stores, music, and so much fun happening all around the kura. Finally, this week marked the last session of our beautiful Kaumatua literacy program for 2025.
Every week, our kaumatua have supported our taonga with their reading, confidence, and literacy skills, strengthening relationships across generations.
Nui ki o tātou kaumatua, thank you for your aroha and support throughout the whole year.
Karawe koutou, what an incredible celebration of culture, community, and fun.
Here are some highlights.
She is released. Now I see
What a year it has been here at Rotorua Primary, full of learning, celebrations, achievements and memories.
A huge mihi to everyone who featured in our stories, and to all of you who have watched and supported Pukeroa Paho throughout 2025.
Next week, Wednesday, is our school prize giving, and footage of that will be available on our channel by the end of next week, so make sure to check it out.
Get to like,
Subscribe.
And share our channels so whānau and community stay connected with everything happening at our kura.
Kia ora, ngā mihi o te tauhou. Have a safe and happy holiday, and we'll see you next year on Pukeroa Paho. 6, 7,